Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be on a DIY again. It is rightly said that anything green is good for your skin. So keeping that in mind, I thought of making a green tea sheet mask. Green tea, of course, is very good for your skin. It's full of antioxidant. It will help you with premature aging, will give you a younger looking skin, healthy complexion. This mask includes only two ingredients, that is green tea and honey. Honey is good for moisturization of the skin. It leaves your skin soft and supple, and it also gives you a beautiful glow, as green tea is antibacterial, so it can keep your acne in control. It controls your oil and it has a lot of benefits. Green tea will not only help you with your pimples and acne, but it will also help you to get rid of your blemishes and give you a clear skin. This mask is suitable for all skin type, including the acne prone skin and the oily skin type. It is good for dry skin and for combination skin as well. So let's get into the video to quickly mask it on. But before that, I would really appreciate if you take a minute and please subscribe to my channel, and also hit the like button and press the bell icon to get notified every time I upload a video.
Here I've taken 1 tablespoon of green tea and brewed it in half a cup of hot water. Next ingredient is gonna be honey and a compressed sheet mask, which is readily available online. I'm gonna place the sheet mask in green tea and let it absorb for a minute or two. Later I've mixed it and this is how it looks. I'm gonna be adding 1 full tablespoon of honey to it and mix it. Now let's mask it. Just be careful, as this mask is gonna be a little drippy. I'm gonna keep this mask for around 20 minutes and then wash it off with normal tap water. And this is how my skin looks after washing my face. It really feels great. I really hope you all enjoyed watching my video. Bye bye.